Filling a large space can be challenging on a wall in your home, but I have an idea for you. Why not try a mural as artwork? I've transformed this boring wall into a large art piece using the Tanzania grass cloth mural. Why did I want to do this? Because the wall is not exactly even at the top and the bottom. So there's a couple of things you don't want to do when you're hanging a mural. You don't want to hang a mural on uneven walls and spaces that have a lot of windows and doors, because then you won't be able to see the beautiful art in the mural. We first started with hanging the mural. Now we did cut off some of the mural on the sides. I wanted to position the tree, and then I've measured from this door evenly to this wall where the light switch is, so it's centered on this section of the wall. You want to elevate it from the floor, from your baseboards. So I just picked a couple of inches up from there, because I did want to go above the door jambs either side, so it's taller and makes more of a statement piece. I had a professional paper hanger because it is a gold grass cloth, and so it's a little trickier to hang than paper. I went to Home Depot to get the wood. I wanted a flat background, but I wanted the detail routed in the wood, and so it looks like a frame even though it is actually trim. So then of course I came home and I painted it with a metallic gold, and I wanted to make sure it goes with my mural. Corner cut it, hung it with a nail gun, and voila, we have like a large painting on the wall. Now, the other thing I love about doing this with the grass cloth murals is that I can incorporate my antique pieces of furniture. So we've got this warm furniture. It looks really well with these deep, rich colors. Plus, I've incorporated my antique Persian rug I've had in the family for years. So now I've got a complete story, a story going on with the artwork in the mural, and a story going on with my own furnishings and touches that I've collected over the years. I'm Jayma Brown, designer for Daisy Bent Designs, and I've been designing wallpaper and murals for over 22 years. And it's something I really know a lot about, is adding beautiful patterns and murals into your home. So comment below if you like this idea. Let me know if you've tried it or you're going to. And don't forget, please subscribe and follow. We love to inspire you.